Welcome to Gadget Solution. Linksys RE6500 Setup. Browser-based setup. Initially, connect the antennas and plug the extender into the power outlet near the router. Check the efficiency and availability of the outlet. Also, check wires and switches if they are working at their best or not. Wait until the LED turns from blinking white to blinking orange. Open the Wi-Fi list on your device and connect to the Linksys RE6500 setup network. Then, search http://extender.linksys.com on a web browser. Click on the Start Setup option. In the end, insert some basic required details on the page. However, you can also search for the 192.168.1.1 IP address instead of the URL address by using extender's WPS pin. Access the extender's default IP address or the web address. Insert your login details and use admin as the password. Afterwards, click the wireless option and enter the extender's 8-digit PIN. If you do not have this, then take it from the product label on the extender's back side. Lastly, tap OK on the page, thus, the Linksys RE6500 setup will be done. Thanks for watching.